are always silk, silk, silk. Family occasions, marriages, functions, engagements, events. Every Indian woman likes silk. Silk is always a big demanded category in all the saree segments. Hi friends, I'm your Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. I hope all are safe and doing great. So as I said, heavy demanded silk varieties. So silk is always priority of every Indian woman, right? So today I'm going to show you such unique varieties of silk varieties, which is a dark contrast colors of Rani color with plain with green color combination of checks pattern with a golden jerry. Such unique varieties Kesaria is giving you, which starts from only 130 to 150 rupees factory cost. So I'm going to show you the samples. So watch this video. Subscribe the channel. You can do place an order by COD and you can do online payments India plus worldwide. We are providing you transport shipping with safety and security. So friends, you can easily start up your clothing business from silk segment and you can buy n number of collections if you are already into a silk saree business. So let's see the samples. First pattern of the ocean blue with the peacock design of copper jerry border with the elephant kalamkari base. This is the pattern of swan linen collections. Swan linen collections from the rapier cotton. You can buy such a beautiful copper jerry with the kalamkari base. So peacock design of butta work. The beautiful packing you can see over here. Such a beautiful varieties of light green shade. The beautiful collections of the color chart. You can see with the same color chart of the color, same pattern of the color chart of the peach color. So light pista color, cream color and baby pink color and grey color. So this is a copper jerry of kalamkari pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, which is a beautiful silver butta with silver jerry of rapier cotton silk with DGN white gulab volume 3, gulab floral based of weaving work design and small butta of beautiful pallu with the matte look of classy and simple sober collections. Such unique varieties do have a color chart and beautiful bag packing you can see over here. Such a beautiful bag holder with the light green and with the baby pink color chart and one more color of the dark green and dark peach color. So if I talk about the next pattern, exclusive sarees of soft silk, which is mini border of the golden checks pattern and with the orange color combination with purple color, dark purple color or dark brinjal color I can say. Such unique varieties and checks pattern of two-tone shade of golden jerry. So this is Wonder Bite Silk Volume 2 color. The color charts, if I talk about green with navy blue, royal blue with navy blue with Rani color, yellow with dark red color and dark red color with navy blue. So if I talk about next colors, checks pattern with lightweight khadi cotton of meenakari floral based in the silver jerry, which is only checks pattern with the floral highlighted with the blue color, sky blue color combination with checks pattern, beautiful classy pallu. This is a pattern and the Kesaria tag over given here and the dark peach color combination and the dark light green peach color combination. Next mehendi color combination, light green pista color combination and baby pink color combination. And if I come to rich and elegant collections of soft silk with the golden butta with the dark baby color with a beautiful pallu of highlighted with Banarasi concept of pallu. This is a concept. This is a beautiful pallu of golden butta saree with the dark pink color combination and here is a dark peach color combination and here is a light orange color combination, mehendi color combination and Rama color combination. Such exclusive varieties from silk segment. These varieties which starts from only 130 to 150 rupees. Place an order, enjoy your business, tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers, start your clothing business with sarees of multiple varieties and rapier cotton segment. I end up this video. Let me know in the comment box how the collections were and what kind of collections you are looking for. So next video I'll come up with many more new unique varieties. Subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Next video we'll meet. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.